Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily see your Facebook's following list. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store. Let's go ahead and search for Facebook from here. And let's make sure the app is updated, or at least we have a new version for everything to run smoothly. After that, let's quit the store and open Facebook. Of course, you will have to be logged into your account, and also you will have to be following some people on Facebook in order for you to find that following list. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then from here we need to go to settings. So tap on settings and privacy in the bottom, and then tap on settings. That should be under the menu in the top, just like that. Now from here what you need to do is scroll down until you find something that says activity log. This one right here. So go ahead and open it, and within your activity you'll find connections. Tap on it just like that, scroll down and then tap on followers. Let's go ahead and tap on manage followers basically, and then from this screen basically you'll find many activities that are related to followers. To filter them out, tap on filters in the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on categories, and then in the very bottom you'll find who you've followed and unfollowed, the one at the very bottom. Go ahead and select it just like that, and now here you basically find your following list and even the people that you have followed before and then unfollowed. This is basically, guys, how you can find it. Now you can find it from another place too. You go back to the menu and then you go to your profile, then tap on the three dots that are next to edit profile, and then from here tap on activity log. This is just a shortcut. Now from here basically you will have to do the same steps I've showed you before. This is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.